We often get calls from people who say they're in a wreck in an intersection. We'll ask what happened. They'll say, well, I had a yellow light and then all of a sudden I got hit. So the question is, who's responsible for a wreck involving a yellow light? And that's not always a clear question. It really depends on how the person with the yellow light entered the intersection. If you're approaching the intersection, your light turns yellow and you can stop safely, then you need to stop. If you can't, if it's green and then suddenly right when you're entering it's yellow, you do have the right in Oklahoma to proceed. And then the other vehicles going the opposite directions, when their light turns green, they have a duty to make sure the intersection's clear. In Oklahoma, the vehicle in the intersection has the right of way. So if your light turns green, you need to make sure it's safe to proceed before you go through the intersection. So given the complexity of who's at fault in a case involving a wreck when someone enters an intersection on a yellow light is pretty complicated. It really depends on a variety of factors, such as when did you enter the intersection? Are there witnesses? What do they say? What are the sequences of the traffic lights? So these cases really require a lot of investigation. My office has handled many of these cases and certainly can do the investigation necessary to prove who was at fault. So if you've been involved in an intersection wreck involving a yellow light, call my office and let us investigate the case for you.